If you're considering H&R Block's tax prep app, there are a few things you should know before buying, especially when compared to other tax prep options out there. Stick around till the end to find out if it's the right choice for you or if there's a better alternative. First thing to note, H&R Block is one of the most trusted names in tax prep. The app offers access to a team of tax professionals, which gives it a leg up over apps like TurboTax or TaxSlayer that might require you to pay extra for such services. Next thing, it's got a user-friendly design that makes the whole tax filing process simple. You'll be guided step by step, and even first-time users find it pretty easy to navigate. However, some competitors like TaxAct also have a smooth interface, but might not provide the same level of hand-holding, which is where H&R Block excels. The third thing you should consider is the cost. H&R Block's pricing can be a little higher than some others. While you can start for free, depending on your filing needs, you might end up paying more for things like state returns or extra features. Compare this with other services like Free Tax USA, which offer more competitive pricing, but without the added luxury of Tax Pro access. The fourth thing to know is about their robust mobile experience. Whether you're on an iPhone or Android, the app works seamlessly. This is a plus over desktop-only software like TaxSlayer, which limits your mobility. H&R Block also lets you upload documents directly from your phone for added convenience. Next up, it includes an option to file in multiple states, which is great if you've moved or have multiple state returns to file. This is another feature that puts it ahead of competitors like Credit Karma Tax, where multi-state filing can get tricky and sometimes even lead to errors. The sixth thing is the accuracy guarantee. If you happen to make an error, H&R Block will cover the cost of any penalties or interest, something that most competitors only offer as an add-on or for a higher price. However, you'll have to read the fine print to understand the exact limits of this guarantee. The seventh thing to consider is their audit support. While other apps like TaxAct or TurboTax charge extra for audit assistance, H&R Block includes it in their premium plans, which can provide peace of mind if you're worried about being audited. The eighth thing to note is their refund options. H&R Block offers flexible ways to receive your refund, like direct deposit or prepaid Visa cards. This is a helpful feature that some competitors, like TaxSlayer, do not provide. The ninth thing is their customer support. While generally responsive, H&R Block's customer service can sometimes be slower during peak tax season. Competitors like TurboTax offer chatbots and sometimes faster responses, though they can be hit or miss as well. The 10th thing is that it works well for both simple and complex returns. If you have a small business, side income, or investments, the app supports those types of filings. Some alternatives like Free Tax USA also support complex returns, but might not offer the same level of support for self-employed filers. Next, the security. H&R Block uses 256-bit encryption to protect your sensitive data, which is on par with industry standards. While TaxSlayer also has good security, some smaller services might not have the same robust measures in place. Finally, there's the question of whether it's worth it for your situation. If you're someone who prefers to have expert assistance available at all times and is willing to pay a little more for that peace of mind, H&R Block could be a great fit. But if you're looking for a more affordable, straightforward option with similar features, you might want to check out other services like Free Tax USA or Credit Karma Tax, which offer solid tax prep tools at lower prices. So, is H&R Block's tax prep the right choice? It's definitely a good option, but if you want something that might offer more value for the price, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.